Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the case of an advocate, a senior advocate having experience of 20 years, being fined rupees 500 for not wearing a mask, while driving his own car and when he was alone. Please remember these points. He was driving his own car. He was alone driving his own car. He was inside the car. He was not wearing the mask. Yet he was forced to pay. Or in his words, he was extorted. Section 384 of the IPC. Extorted to pay an amount of rupees 500 as fine, and the challan was given. Now he has approached the Honorable High Court of Delhi. So he has filed a writ petition with a request to get compensation from the Delhi police. You can refer this case as Saurabh Sharma, Saurabh, Saurabh Sharma versus Sub-Divisional Magistrate, East Delhi and others, 2020. Sub-Divisional Magistrate means the orders were given by the Executive Magistrate. Here the Sub-Divisional Magistrate, normally in our area, the RDO is called the Sub-Divisional Magistrate as per the CRPC. So District Magistrate is the Collector. Additional District Manager is Additional District Magistrate is the Additional or Joint Collector. And the base level officer is Mandal Executive Magistrate or Tahsildar. Right, you may be knowing the cadres nowadays. So because of the COVID-19, these cadres have come once again for discussion. Now let us know what happened on the particular day. On 9th of September of this year, so about maybe 10 days back. So the advocate Saurabh Sharma, he was driving his car from his home to the office. He was driving the car alone and he did not wear the mask. He was stopped near Gita Colony in Delhi, and a constable, maybe a traffic constable, he took photo of the advocate since he was not with the mask. Alright, then he was asked to alight from the car. The advocate inquired them as to what happened. Then they said, "Sir, you are supposed to wear a mask even while driving also, even while you are single also in the car. It is the mandatory." So according to the DDMA, that is Delhi Disaster Management Authority, the regulations 2020, they say that everybody should wear a mask at a public place. The advocate informed them. He tried to impress them that it is the private car cannot be a public place. And secondly, it is very difficult to wear the mask when alone. The very purpose of the directives given by the Health Ministry or the center or the state, they are for the purpose that you should not, when you sneeze or when you cough or things like that, you should not be exposed to other persons. Because the coronavirus, because of the fear of corona pandemic, you are supposed to wear the mask. That too in public places. Suppose if you are in your house, are you supposed to wear the mask even though some 10 members are there in your family? It is your own lookout or your own interest. Likewise, he tried to impress upon them, but they did not hear. So they said he would be fined. Okay, he under protest. Although under protest, he paid the fine. And now he has come up with a challan and filed a writ petition in the Honorable High Court that stating that there should be no challan in a private vehicle. That too when single person is traveling, when the person is alone. It is not a public place. The advocate also says that when a person wears a mask inside the car, having closed all the windows and the AC is on, it is a health hazard for himself itself. This has to be considered because we feel it like that. Right, whatever it is. Now, he is asking for the compensation for the unjust and illegal stopping and also extortion of the fine. So in his words, it's called, fining him which caused huge mental turmoil and harassment to him. Right? So, as a request, he requested the Honorable Court for the refund of the so-called rupees 500 and also compensation of rupees 10 lakhs toward the mental agony and harassment caused to him by the police, even though there was no crime committed by him. Right? And clear, he has also stated that now let us discuss the legal positions. Normally, when this COVID-19 has come, the central government has taken out the Age-Old Act or Heritage Act or Vintage Act, Epidemic Diseases Act 1897, which is a very simple act consisting of only 4 sections. That too, of course, it gives enormous power to the center to regulate, to pass whatever regulations they want. If anybody does not follow the regulations, they have to be charged under section 188 of the IPC, that is denying or refusing the government of public officer's order, and 188 IPC. The punishment is, you may be knowing, it is only 6 months or 1,000 rupees fine. That's all, epidemic disease. But later came the Disaster Management Act. The center also imposed, they are taking restrictions and they are using the rules of Disaster Management Act 2005. It's a very powerful act. So both were as per Epidemic Disease Act and also the Disaster Management Act. Certain regulations can be made by the state. That means by the state government or central government, whoever it may be. So they can regulate the vehicles, they can regulate the assembly of persons, they can regulate whatever they like in order to stop the spread of the so-called epidemic. Here the epidemic is COVID-19 or Corona, normally we are calling. They can make difference. So according to this, Regulations 2020, the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, they have made. So the disaster manager clearly stated that everybody should wear a mask in a public place. If not, they will be fined. Okay, in some places 50 rupees, some places 100 rupees. Now because it is Delhi, 500 rupees. This is the rule. But the point is whether the private vehicle can be called a public place or not. This is the major problem. I'm sorry. This is the major problem. Now, so the DCP Traffic East, Ish Sehgal, so he is stating that no doubt the epidemic rules or the disaster management rules, they say that a person has to wear a mask, in a public place. And relying on the judgment given by the Supreme Court in 2019 in a Bihar case, that is an Excise Act case, actually Excise Act case of 2015. So they state that even a private vehicle can be a public place. The Supreme Court has stated that a private vehicle can be a public place because where the public have got access to enter the car, right? So if we go into that case, 2015 Bihar Excise case, certain people, they were coming from Jharkhand to Bihar, and en route, since they cannot travel freely, so they have taken something, they have brought some liquor bottles and they consumed them. When the police checked, the bottles were not found, but they were in a drunken stage. So in that case, they have approached the Supreme Court stating that the private car in which they were traveling, they can enjoy and it cannot be called a public place. But in that case, the Supreme Court interpreted that it is a public place because the public have got access to enter the same. But here, the things are totally different. So, Justice Naveen Chawla of the Delhi High Court, who is hearing the petition, he called for the relevant records from the authorities. So, the DCP, of course, another police officer of the cadre of DCP, he stated that normally police people will give a warning to such persons who do not wear a mask and drive the vehicles alone. But as per the rule, since they have to follow the rule of law, so they can impose a fine, and definitely, of course, if you want, you can challenge the court. Now, a decision will come, no problem. So the police are also adamant and they have filed the writ counter stating that as per the Supreme Court direction, a private case also can be a public place, right? So let us see what will happen. But here, please remember the interpretation. The interpretation of the rule. What is the interpretation here? The public are advised to wear mask while visiting a public place. That too, I am very sure that when a person is inside a car, he need not wear the mask. The purpose of mask is not to spread, if at all you have got corona, to the others. When you sneeze, when you cough, when you speak also, they may go. The sprinkles, they may also go. So for that purpose only. So they have put a rule that you should wear the mask. That here he is traveling in his own car alone, that too keeping the air condition on. Then what is the problem for the police? I don't understand. This is misconception of law, misinterpretation of law. Definitely it will not stand in the court of law, and definitely I am sure the police have to pay the compensation. Some compensation at least, or at least they will be warned. Of course, let us not give the verdict because the matter is sub judice, we should not talk. Anyway, it's a good case where here the point for discussion is whether a person should wear mask in a vehicle, in a private vehicle, and when he was single. So this will be decided by the Delhi court, but as far as already I have given my opinion, it's not necessary. That's why during the interpretation, you have to know the mind of the makers of the law. Here you have to know the mindset of the makers of the rules. The rules already I told you, I did not read it because the matter is serious. Anyway, it's a good case. So let us wait for the result and then we'll decide. Thank you.